Yes, good morning, good afternoon, good evening to everyone who is watching, wherever you are. This is Morris, the Crochet Master. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Yes, this is the channel where you always find different types of hairstyles, like not on any other channel. Yes, I always do that every week. I make sure that I upload for you a video for you to learn. And this, I work at Hair by Clippers, that is Clippers with Z, to those ones who would want to have my service. And we are located in Ntinda Ministers Village. Yes, and those ones who would want to learn online courses, please just follow that link in the bio. It is going to take you through and you see all those courses. That is www.hairbyclippers.institute.com. Yes, it is going to take you through. It is www.hairbyclippersinstitute.com. Yes, choose those courses that you'd want to learn, and probably you will be able to learn them. Yes, another thing, today we are going to see something that is very, very interesting and beautiful. But all I can talk about this is that most of us have been doing the low cuts, but the difference is about the hair. Yes, the difficulties here comes when the hair is a lot. You get it? When the hair is long, sometimes achieving this kind of a hairstyle, it is very hard. But though all these depends on the type of a cornrow that you do. So right now, her hair is really short, as the way you can see. So any type of a cornrow can be done on it when it comes to the low cut crochet. But those ones with a long hair, I will make a video for you how you can always do your cornrow. The only thing we always need to something that we need to look at before doing this is that our hair needs to be like the way you're finishing behind. You don't need to it doesn't have to shrink. No, it doesn't have to how can I say it, to be big behind, okay? Like to swell this, something like that. So like behind on the corner, you get at the corner. So you just have to make sure at least behind also make it flat, so that your crochet sits very well, as when you're cutting it makes it look like the real hair, as you're going to be seeing in this video. But for now, her hair is short, so there's nothing like difficult here how we can maintain her hair behind, as you're going to be seeing. And another thing is we just have to maintain the inward cornrow. So to those ones who have been following my lives of Wednesday, Friday and Saturdays, I've been teaching you about these inward cornrows. And those ones who have tried to learn it, yeah, thank you so much. Those ones who haven't tried to learn it, I will also still show you how you can learn this method. Yes, it is always the best, and it will also make your low cut to lie flat. The last one, you just have to make sure that it is really the corners are straight going behind. Okay, they need to be straight. Why? It's because sometimes your client might ask you for a line like on the sides, you get it? So when you don't make them straight, it might be very hard for you to get that line straight. So let's continue and see how this is going to look like. And if you have any question, please go right in the comment section. Tell me what you will need to know about this hairstyle, and I'll be there to answer you. My name is Morris, the Crochet Master. I love you so much, but let's see how this is gonna be. Now here we go. We're done with our cornrow. Then we just have to add in the anti-itchy oil. This is always helping us to maintain and to control the dandruff, okay? And of course, as we have plated, we always have to oil our scalp. Okay. So now here I'm just adding the soft kinky of Darling Uganda. Okay, and I believe that a lot of people have different types of hair extensions that you can always use, please. So it is not a must that you can use this only. Please try to use as many as possible. Those hair extensions that you also do, trust that they can do something that is good. Okay, let's continue and see how this is going to happen. Though this is going to be hard for me to teach you how to trim it, just because it's the same like me. I'm just crocheting this hair extension according to how I'm going to cut it. So you might also be having the way how you're going to cut this hairstyle. You just have to crochet the way you're going to cut it. Okay, we're done with our cornrow. Now here we go. Just have to add in the anti-itchy oil. This is always helping us to maintain and to control the dandruff. Okay, and of course, as we have plated, we always have to oil our scalp. Okay, so now here I'm just adding the soft kinky of Darling Uganda. Okay, and I believe that a lot of people have different types of hair extensions that you can always use, please. So it is not a must that you can use this only. Please try to use as many as possible. Those hair extensions that you also do, trust that they can do something that is good. Okay, let's continue and see how this is going to happen. Though this is going to be hard for me to teach you how to trim it, just because it's the same like me. I'm just crocheting this hair extension according to how I'm going to cut it. So you might also be having the way how you're going to cut this hairstyle. You just have to crochet the way you're going to cut it. Okay, now here we go. Oh yes, now when I'm done here, I'm just going to be adding our bond glue. And yes, for me, I don't always use the elastic, like maybe to tie someone. I just do it this way because it looks more natural, just like that, than just trimming. This is how I do it. You can also do it just putting a little bit of them, and then after I can also make it look very, very clear and very, very natural. So after spraying there, we just blow dry when I'm pressing there. Yes, you just blow dry it with air only. Don't put heat. Okay, it's the same thing we are doing here. So when I'm done with everything here, I'm just adding my hair moss, and we all know that, so that it can maintain the curls and make it firm. So when I'm done with that, I'm seeing some mistake here. The black ones are in the green one, but I'm just going to remove them after, and we see how perfect it is going to be. So if you have any question, please, about this hairstyle, you can always go right in the comment section. Tell me what you think about this hairstyle. My name is Maurice, the crochet master, and I love you so much. Remember that I work at Hair by Clippers with Z. Crochet master.
Sometimes you need a little loving. Oyagala kola kaviri oshanane.